Join me as I dive into the world of LCID stock and put my predictions to the test. Can I figure out if it's really about to explode? LCID stock, or Lucid Group Incorporated, has been making waves in the electric vehicle market with its high-performance luxury cars. The company's innovative approach and commitment to sustainability have garnered significant attention from investors and EV enthusiasts alike. As the EV market continues to grow, many are wondering if LCID stock is poised for explosive growth. The electric vehicle market is getting crowded, and LCID is facing stiff competition from established players like Tesla and newcomers like Rivian. Investor sentiment has been mixed, with some analysts predicting a surge in stock price and others warning of potential pitfalls. This uncertainty is largely due to the company's relatively short history and the challenges of scaling up production. Adding to the uncertainty is the global economic landscape, which can impact consumer spending on luxury items like luxury electric vehicles. Recent financial reports have shown that LCID is making progress in ramping up production and meeting its delivery targets. However, the company has also faced some setbacks, including delays in expanding its product lineup. Market trends indicate that investors are eagerly awaiting updates on LCID's future models and production capacity. In response, the company has been making strategic announcements to shore up investor confidence. One key announcement that could impact LCID's stock performance is its partnership with major suppliers to secure essential components. This move aims to mitigate supply chain risks and ensure a smoother production process. Another significant development is LCID's plan to expand its charging infrastructure, which could alleviate range anxiety and make its vehicles more appealing to a broader audience. Additionally, LCID's focus on innovation and technology could give it an edge in the competitive EV market. A recent breakthrough in battery technology could be a game-changer for LCID stock. The company has been investing heavily in research and development, and its efforts are starting to pay off. With a strong product lineup and improving financials, LCID is well positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for electric vehicles. However, it's essential to keep in mind that the EV market is highly competitive, and LCID must continue to innovate and adapt to changing market conditions. In summary, LCID stock has the potential to explode, but it's not without risks. The company's innovative approach, strategic partnerships, and focus on technology could drive growth. However, investors must remain cautious and keep a close eye on market trends and company developments. What do you think about LCID stock? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in staying up to date on stock market trends, be sure to check out my next video, where we'll explore more insights and predictions.